like, this is not cute. Like, this is not the color. This is not the style that I was going for. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Kayla's Corner. In today's video, we have another hair review for you guys, all brought to you guys by Beauty Forever. Surprisingly, you guys, I actually have different thoughts about T-part wigs because this is one of them, and it turned out amazing. Okay, so if you want to see that process, if you want to see my thoughts about this wig, you guys know that all you got to do is just stay tuned. So this hair is from Beauty Forever. It is their 99J lace closure wig with a silk based fake scalp. It is 16 inches long. This is what the box looks like. So it came in this little box, and inside the box you got some lashes and a wig cap and a little card that basically tells you how to take care of the hair and some other things about Beauty Forever. We're just gonna go ahead and get into the specs and the details of this hair. This wig says that it has a pre-plucked hairline. So, let's start with that part. I honestly didn't do any plucking to the hairline, and I think that it looks pretty decent. So, I don't know if it's pre-plucked, but I didn't have to do any plucking, so I guess that says that a lot about this wig. It is 150% density. So with 150% density with straight hair, I honestly don't mind because I think it gives it a more natural look. So it's not too thin for me, honestly. Versus if it was curly, it would look a little bit thinner. But I like the 150% density with with straight hair. If you want the unit to be a little bit more fuller, I would pick something else, like some 180, maybe 180 density or even higher. 180% density or even higher. But with the straight hair, just like with the Eunice highlight wig, I don't mind the 150% density on straight hair. So it also has a fake scalp base. Fake scalp is T-part, so you can only get the middle part, and under it is a fake scalp. Now, y'all know in my other videos I have said that I do not like fake scalp wigs, but this one, I think just because of the color and how I made the baby hair look and all the other stuff, which I said in the last hair review that I did from a different company. And two, also, like, I feel like the more I practice and the more wigs I buy and the more wigs I get, you know, all this stuff will come easier and be, you know, I could probably make anything look like a frontal. Okay, so just give it a minute. I said that I'm not a fan of T-part wigs, but I feel like when I practice makes perfect, and the more I practice, I will be able to make any wig look good. And here I am a week later. Like, you can't tell me anything. I think this wig looks bomb, and I think I laid and slayed it. It low-key looks like a regular frontal. But like I said, I'm just gonna keep working on my baby hair, keep working on laying wigs and all this other stuff, and I will be able to lay any wig. So I think it looks really good. The knots aren't as black, and it could also be because I dyed the wig, so who knows. But construction of this wig, it has comb in the back and 2 combs in the front. Standard wig construction. Also has the adjustable strap. So I did use the adjustable strap. I think I have it on the second hook. And I did use the combs, of course. Like I said, it's a fake scalp, so you can't bleach the knots. You can't part it any other way. You kind of just have to part it the way it comes. And yeah, the things that I did to customize this wig, I basically just cut the lace, and I laid my baby hairs and put some concealer on the part. The biggest thing that I did to customize it to make this wig mine was the color. That's the first thing. First things first. It's probably my biggest complaint. This wig claims to be 99J. Now, on my head right now, it is probably a 99J. But when I got the wig, I'm going to insert right here. Y'all will see that this wig was fire truck red. I got this wig and I was like, no, honey. No, honey. And it's kind of upsetting me and my homegirls because on their website, I'm going to put another insert right here. On Amazon's website, The first picture, it is definitely closer to a 99J than what they sent me. But that hair was so bright, and I was like, this is not cute. Like, this is not the color. This is not the style that I was going for. I was not putting that red wig on my head and coming on YouTube like that. No. So I took it upon myself to go ahead and watercolor the hair, and this is how it turned out. So if you were thinking about ordering this hair, just realize that this is not going to be the color that you receive, because I changed this hair color to be the color that I wanted it to be. Some people may like bright color like that, but I'm not one of those people. So I was just like, I'm just going to change the color to what I want it to be. So, which is unfortunate, but I'm very happy that I even did it, because I like this wig. The color is fire right now. It's really cute. I think it turned out really good. So I'll have a whole video on that process if you guys are interested. It went really well. It didn't bleach my lace. The thing that it did bleach, the thing that it did stain or dye was the fake scalp. So under the lace is a cloth. So I sprayed the Got2b and all the other stuff on it, but since it's cloth, it's going to soak up whatever, you know, you put on it. So that did turn red, but you can't even tell. I just put, you know, some concealer on it and it was fine. So that's the biggest thing that I did to customize this wig, was change the color to my liking. So the thing that I like about this wig, the hair is really soft. And like I said, I'll probably say this with all human hair wigs that I receive. The hair is really soft, and I'm really happy about that. This one, it also says that it's 16 inches, but as you can see, this is shorter. So I like that it kind of has a layered effect. So this is probably like the closure or the lace part wig thingy is probably like a 14 inch, and everything else is probably like a 16 inch. But that's really nice. So far, when I was flat ironing the hair, it did shed a little bit, but nothing too major. It wasn't coming out in clumps or anything like that. The hair is really soft. It was easy to flat iron. I like that I didn't have to pluck the hairline for my liking. Like I said, that may be, well, I don't know if I said that, but it may be just due to me getting better with wigs, or the hair could have really been truly pre-plucked. So those are pretty much everything that I like about the wig. It's really just a standard, you know, straight wig. The only dislike that I have for this hair is that it was not a 99J when I received it. It was not. It was really like fire truck red. Like, nobody can tell me otherwise, but this wig was definitely bright, really bright. But the length is pretty decent. Like I said, it's a 16 inch. The next wig that I get, I want it to be long, because I'm not that tall. So this is what, you know, this is how long the wig is. An 18 inch usually like stops right here in my butt for me. So if I had like a 20 or a 22, it would be perfect. Like, this would be so fire. Honestly, with that red wig by itself, I would have been so upset. I'm so glad that dye is a thing, because I wouldn't have liked it. But definitely, since I've dyed it, it's fire. And this is probably like my favorite wig in my collection. Seriously. Like, I like this hair so much. And I don't know what else to say about the wig, but it's really cute. I really like the color on it since I changed it. It's really just a basic standard wig. I mean, if you're into reds or wanting a red one, I think this is really nice. Like I said, the hair is really soft. Yeah, I think it gives you like a really natural look, like it's just pressed at the salon type thing when you flat iron it bone straight. So let me see what I would give this wig. On like a scale of 1 to 10, with the wig being the color that it was when I first got it, I probably give it like a 7, a 6, maybe even a 5. But since I dyed this hair, I'm giving this wig a 10. Like 10 out of 10. And if you buy this wig and you want me to dye it, hit me up, because I got you. I'm gonna make you look like a baddie. You my little boo thing. So yeah, I'm giving this wig a 10 with this color that I have. With the color that it came in, probably like a 5. I'm not even gonna front, because that color was not cute to me. But with this color, 10 stars, 10 out of 10. So yeah, that's his hair. I don't know what else y'all want to know about it. If you have any other questions of things that I didn't discuss, just leave a comment down below, and y'all know I'll be commenting back all the time. That's my goal, is to reply to y'all when y'all leave comments. So don't be afraid to comment down below if you have any questions about this hair that I did not answer. And I know y'all been waiting for this for a long time. I feel like some people didn't even left my channel because I was taking too long to announce this winner. So we're going to go ahead and announce the giveaway winner for that wig giveaway. I'm going to go through my YouTube and look at all the comments of the people who entered, and then I'm just going to go ahead and double check that they followed me on Instagram, and then I'm going to enter everybody's name who followed all of the steps. I'm going to enter that into a random drawing thingy app on the computer. So just stay tuned for the winner announcement. All right, y'all, so I went ahead and did the randomized draw. I entered everybody that followed all of the directions. There was a lot of people that entered, but not everybody followed all of the directions. So from the randomized winner, the person that won, her name on Instagram is Joya with like 3 A's 21. So her name is Joya 21 on Instagram. So I'm going to be reaching out to you, Miss Joya, because you won. Thank you so much for being subscribed. Thank you so much for watching that video and following all the steps to enter this giveaway. You guys, if you didn't win, don't be discouraged. Like I said, there is a 500 subscriber giveaway coming up in the next week. So next week, I'm going to be announcing my 500 subscriber giveaway. So just stay tuned for that. Like I said, congratulations to Joya. She's the winner. So I'm going to be reaching out to her, and we're going to set something up to get the wig that she desires out of the ones that I have, you know, picked. So that's going to be that. So thank Beauty Forever for sending this hair, because, honey, I fried, dyed, and laid it to the side. Yes, I did what needed to be done with this wig. So shout out to you, Beauty Forever, for, you know, coming through for your girl. If you guys enjoyed this wig, leave a comment down below and let me know what you think, because I think it's fire. I think it's cute. I think it's cute. I think it's fire. I love it. So yeah, leave a comment down below and let me know what you all think. As always, I want to thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see and talk to y'all on my next one.